ID belt is a protection with an integrated belt that provides a solution for moderate and heavy incontinence for all independent or semi-mobile people. They are available in different sizes and multiple absorption levels to suit the user's needs. To ensure patient comfort and safety, it is important that the product is positioned correctly before fitting it. Start by opening the protection, then unfold the protective belt on one side, and then on the other. Unfold the product and shape it into a channel. This allows the anti-leak barriers to be activated and gives the desired shape for the application of the product. Gently pull the protection by holding it at each end. This is essential to limit the risk of leaks. Help the patient to stand, ensuring they are stable on their feet. Then, by standing in front of them, attach the belt together using the Velcro-style fastenings. Position the protection through the legs, reforming the channel shape across the groin area. This will help properly position the anti-leak barriers. Gently pull the protection up to adjust it and attach the Velcro-style tabs to the belt. Finally, make sure the product is properly adjusted for a comfortable fit.